Charles Manson, A History Part 111, Part 2, Factors Behind the Denial. The parole board also pointed out several other issues during Manson's hearings. They highlighted that he had 108 reports of breaking rules while incarcerated and showed no signs of remorse for his past actions. Additionally, Manson appeared to have no insight into the reasons behind his crimes and lacked an understanding of the devastating impact they had. His cold and indifferent attitude toward the suffering caused, along with the absence of any plans for life outside prison, led to the decision to deny his release.